What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I am shooting 4K video, 60 frames per second, taking the little girls out for a walk, my usual little morning excursion with the ladies. And this is 4K 60 frames per second. And I wanted to show you guys what we're looking at here. I'm pretty much handheld walking and talking. Pretty beautiful day here where I'm at. It's a balmy 75. Yeah, the weather's great here. So see my shadow there, walking and talking. Sun is basically behind me, so walking in the shade, going from shade to sun here in 3, 2, 1. So I do like the video cameras on the Samsung devices. I think they're superb. I know that a lot of iPhone users love the iPhone video cameras, which I think are just phenomenal. But seeing how that zoom is working out, that's pretty good focus there. I like it. And then we come over here, we're gonna walk and talk a little bit, see how you guys like the stabilization, how you like the audio, how you like the colors, the focus, all that good stuff. Skateboarding not allowed. Streets, we're here in the streets. Let's do a little zoomy on the truck here. So you can basically do 10 times zoom. It's about 4 times, 3 times. So you can do about a 4 times zoom on 4K 60 frames per second. You cannot switch to wide angle while you're doing video, so just letting you guys know that on 4K 60. But let me know what you guys think. Just got this device, so I wanted to do a little sample so you guys could see exactly how good the video cameras are on here. And I think they're pretty decent. Better than decent. Samsung's video cameras are excellent. So that's gonna do it, man. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell so you get more videos like this, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this video. I'm Android Stud. I'm gonna get out of here. 4K 60 frames per second, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Peace.